For better or for worse, your car is always with you, so it deserves proper maintenance. But it costs me too much. Is it possible to keep my car running smoothly and safely without hurting my wallet?
Yes! Right, Honda?
Of course! Honda is budget-friendly because it requires minimum standard periodic maintenance service. Just replace these standard parts and lubricants every PMS schedule. First year PMS. Second year. Third year. Fourth year. Fifth year. Don't skip your PMS to enjoy more rewards and discounts. Plus, Honda assures quality genuine parts with thorough inspection, high expertise in maintenance, and COVID-19 health protocols. Just follow the standard PMS and your car's warranty is secured. Honda offers long-term affordable PMS. Since Honda has quality maintenance, it prevents your car from unwanted breakdowns in the long run. Plus, Honda offers only 2 PMS visits a year. Less visits, less inconvenience. Securing your budget and safety. More savings for you and your family. Be in control of your budget and check your PMS costings at Honda's website. At Honda, you are guaranteed of genuine parts and lubricants, quality service and insured safety, warranty assurance, and more savings. Plus, Honda offers optional value-added products which are Honda genuine chemicals and additives.
Book your Honda now!
Your safety should not cost you too much.